This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by pausing updates immediately and preparing the system. Open Settings, right arrow Update and Security and hit pause for 7 days. This buys time while you work. Once done, make sure to set your active Wi-Fi adapter to a metered connection that prevents automatic downloads. You do this in Network and Internet. Click the Network, toggle Set as Metered Connection on. This quick sequence stops immediate installs and creates a controlled environment for deeper actions. Now you stop the engine that forces updates. Open Services. MSC, find Windows Update, WiiWaServe, stop it, and change startup type to disabled. Do the same for Background Intelligent Transfer Service where needed. Next, open Task Scheduler and disable Update Orchestrator tasks that trigger scans or installs. If you have Pro or Enterprise, use gpedit. MSC to set Configure Automatic Updates to disabled. This prevents Windows from re-enabling itself. Take these steps carefully. They halt recurring update triggers. Finish by cleaning queued files and locking your changes. Stop the service, then rename C/Windows/software distribution to software distribution. Old to prevent queued downloads. Restart the service only if you plan to restore later. Back up the registry, then apply the necessary disable keys if you edited policies manually. If Windows resets settings or updates resume, run DISM and SFC to repair components. Reapply the service disable and verify task scheduler entries. This troubleshooting loop usually restores the blocked state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.